What's up, everybody? Straight Jackie here. Got a KLV 1000-P. For those who aren't familiar, that's the high drive model, so you can run like a striker. You know, up about 80 watts, I think, is what most people recommend the max. I've seen people run more, but that's what I would run. And this one works good. It's got a variable fan speed controller. And not going to turn that up too high because I'm just kind of testing it. But tunes out really nice. I've already kind of tuned it. Lights work on the meters. As far as I can't really test preamp because I'm in the dummy load right now. But so I can't tell you if the preamp works since I'm not on the band right now. I've got to move some heavy amp equipment in here to get back on the band because my coax connectors are all den, so I don't have anything to easily plug into. So I'm just running into my little bird dummy load. And yeah, so without further ado, drive will be via a Panic Attack wide banded Anytone Quad 6 that does about 70 watts or so. Let's see. Hello. Yeah, if you get in it just the right way, you can get it to 80. It's running at 14 volts. I'm going to take it off of standby. 1000 watt slug on peak. Hello. Audio, audio, audio. Easy 500 watts right there. Alright, let me go. I've got it on, I don't know what the difference between high 1 and high 2 is, so we'll try that. Hello. Audio, audio. About 620. So we're back down to 500 there. We're going low. Hello. Audio, audio, audio. About 460 or so. So yeah, between 4 and 620 or so. Plugs in the wall. And has a little SWR meter on it too. Hello, hello. Has a power meter on it. Hello, hello, hello. Which is looks pretty close. I kind of like it, to be honest. Sits on the desk nice. I've got a bunch of spare tubes with this thing, but the tubes that are in it are fine. You know, I mean, maybe it'll do 100 more or something if I replaced them. I don't know. It can't do that much more. They say 1,000, but from what I've seen, they only do 1,000 on sideband with too much drive and stuff like, you know, like under certain conditions, you know, with not the way you would want to run it. They really are good for more like 800 and below, to my understanding. But I do have a bunch of spare tubes for it, not that came with this amp, but just I bought a guy out and he had a drawer full of the tubes that go in this thing. But again, great amp. Runs smooth. I can turn the fan down if I ain't going to be talking on it a whole lot and it's quiet. I can turn it up if I'm going to be hammering on it and it's loud. And yeah, I don't know what goes there. Maybe it's an on-air light. Maybe an on-air light, but if it is, it's off. It doesn't work. Because I don't see anything here that would turn it on or off. But maybe with the bulb if somebody cares. I'm going to sell this thing for 350 bucks. I think this is a lot better than comparable, you know, old DNA from the 70s or something. My understanding with these is they can be fragile for CB operators that drive them too hard and do stupid stuff, dead key too high, but very good amps for those who are responsible operators. I will say I had a buddy that's had this for about 2 years that talked on it. I had it before that point and talked well then as well, so it's been tried and true, tested, etc. All right, thanks everybody for tuning in. 350 bucks, 73s.